Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the values of x that satisfy this exponential equation. To solve this problem, we are going to start by simplifying the left-hand side of the equation. Now, let us recall from our laws of indices that a to the power m minus n is equal to a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So that simply means that 4 to the power x minus 1 simply means 4 to the power x divided by 4 to the power 1. Now we have 1 over 4 times 7 to the power x plus 8 to the power x plus 9 to the power x. And this is equal to 2016 to the power x over 4. Now, of course, you know that we can write this as 1 over 4 times 4 to the power x. Then we have 1 over 4 times 7 to the power x plus 8 to the power x plus 9 to the power x. And this is equal to 2016 to the power x over 4. Now, notice that here we have 1 over 4 and here we have 1 over 4. So we can factorize. The left-hand side of this equation can be written as 1 over 4 into 4 to the power x plus 7 to the power x plus 8 to the power x plus 9 to the power x. And this is equal to 2016 to the power x over 4. Now, at this point, we have to apply the AM-GM inequality. That is the arithmetic mean, geometric mean inequality. Now, this inequality is very simple. It tells us that when we have a group of positive real numbers, the arithmetic mean will always be greater than the geometric mean if all the numbers are different. But the arithmetic mean will always be equal to the geometric mean when all the numbers are the same. Now, let us consider the four numbers: 4 to the power x, 7 to the power x, 8 to the power x, and 9 to the power x. Of course, you know that for all real values of x, these four numbers are going to be positive and, of course, real. Now, when we take the arithmetic mean of these four numbers, you know that we have 1 over 4 times 4 to the power x plus 7 to the power x plus 8 to the power x plus 9 to the power x. And the geometric mean, of course, is going to be the fourth root of 4 to the power x times 7 to the power x times 8 to the power x times 9 to the power x. Now, this can be simplified as 4 times 7 times 8 times 9 to the power x, since all four numbers have the same power. Now, this is 4 times 7 times 8 times 9 is equal to 2016. So this is 2016 to the power x. And of course, you know that we can write this as 2016 to the power x divided by 4. Now, what does this mean? According to the AM-GM inequality, we have that if these four numbers are different, then this arithmetic mean must be greater than this geometric mean. But if these four numbers are the same, if they are equal, then this arithmetic mean must be equal to this geometric mean. Now, of course, from the equation, we have that this is equal to that. So the only conclusion we have is that 4 to the power x is equal to 7 to the power x, equal to 8 to the power x, equal to 9 to the power x. And of course, you know that this equation can only hold when x is equal to 0. Because when x is equal to 0, 4 to the power x is 1, 7 to the power x is 1, 8 to the power x is 1, and of course 9 to the power x is 1. Anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So that means that the only value of x that satisfies this exponential equation is x equal to 0. Now to check our answer, when we substitute 0 into the original equation, we have 4 to the power 0 minus 1 plus 1 over 4 times 7 to the power 0 plus 8 to the power 0 plus 9 to the power 0. Is this equal to 2016 to the power 0 over 4? Now, of course, 4 to the power 0 minus 1 is the same as 4 to the power minus 1, which of course is the same as 1 over 4. Now here we have 1 over 4 into this to the power 0 is 1. 1. 1. 0 divided by 4 is 0. 2016 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now we have 1 over 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So this is 3 over 4. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4 is equal to 4 over 4, which is equal to 1. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a thumbs up to support the channel. Thanks for watching and watch more videos here.